We are going to have our oath taking ceremony. Sige po. Salamat sa SSLG, kay Mamara sa pag-initiate po ng ating pong activity. Not initiate, facilitate. Kasi it is the program of the school. Nag-facilitate ng ating program para sa oras na ito. Okay? So everybody, sa mga president, officers, sa mga club officers din, president lang ito. Sige, tayo po ay magkaroon ng rotating. Taas ang ating mga kamay, kanang kamay.
Ala.
Hindi, yung mga president lang, hindi lahat. President lang. Sorry, bakit? Pwede kayong nakaupo. Tama ba? Oh, yung mga nakaupo, i-witness nyo lang. Sorry, hindi kayo pinakaupo ng SSLG. Again, tapos mamaya dyan sa kinaupuan nyo lahat ng teachers na nandito dapat nakaupo sa ating pag-celebrate ng kick-off ng Teachers Month. Okay? President, I state your full name of City of San Jose del Monte National Science High School. Having been elected, appointed as, state your position. Of state the organization. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position, that I have clearly understood and I will abide by the guidelines governing this organization and the issuances by the Department of Education, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Okay, congratulations for your present position. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga officers, classroom officers, for this school year. I hope na ang pagiging leader ay hindi lamang sa papel na yan, ang pagiging leader at all times yan. May nakakakita o hindi, gumagawa. At dapat ang isang leader, punong-puno yan ng pag-uusap. Hindi yan dapat inuusan lagi. May nakikita kayo na dapat ayusin sa paaralan, may dapat ayusin sa loob ng silid-aralan, may nakita na piece of trash, sinasabuhay yan. Because a good leader is a good follower. I hope lahat ng season side ay maging mabuting mag-aaral at mabuting mamamayan. Hindi lang yung at yan ay nagsisimula sa inyong mga tahanan at patungo sa paaralan. Again, congratulations para po sa araw na ito. Palakpak muli para po sa ating mga president of each class. Okay? Pwede na po kayong maupo. Again, all teachers, this is our day. No, start po ng ating day. Pwede po ba punta na po kayo dito? Siguro po yung mga officers, maglaan ng okay ha, maglalaan kayo ng, saan nila pa upuin? Okay, sige. Meron pa pala, I'm sorry, kung ko yung inyong mga plano. Okay, sige, thank you so much. At 8.
I see. Paano na?
I see.
Okay, good morning, Season Sai. So, upo muna ang ating mga club and class presidents.
best.
As the new SSLG advisor, I am so privileged to have this oath taking. And talagang pinush namin to for you to realize the oath that you read kanina. Ang SSLG po this year, it has a vision. It wants to empower you, class and club presidents. And naway maging kabahagi namin kayo sa vision namin. If you don't notice, nagsisimula ang student leadership with class presidents. That's why at the beginning of this school year, nag-meeting ang mga previous presidents para magkaroon ng code of class elections and officers. Para alam nyo na at mamili kayo kung sino ba talaga mamumuno sa classrooms. Narinig namin yung mga problema last year, yung mga challenges last year, and sana this year, ito mga class presidents na to na pinili nyo would be with you for the rest of the year, through better or worse. Mahirap po maging class president. I've been an advisor for almost 7 years dito sa CSADSAI. And always yung class president, yung kabalikan ko, through better or worse. They've seen the better and the worst of the class and their advisor. Kaya I hope na yung 24 na presidents na narinig ko ngayon, you run for that position with a party list, a platform, naway kayanin nyo for the rest of the year. As for the club presidents, I've been an advisor of KKK for 6 years before SSLG. Minsan co-or, minsan advisor. And sa club, interest naman. As an AP teacher, we love history and econ. So doon nag-develop. So from class president, may iba naging president ng club, mas naayos yung talents nila about leadership. Kasi hindi ka tulad ng class na wala kayong choice na assign kayo doon. Sa club, pinili kung nandun kayo. Sinisingit nyo siya sa mga activities nyo, may mga monthly events na kailangan celebrate. Mas maayos yung leadership skills nyo. Then eventually, who knows? Kayo na yung kasama namin sa SSLG. Then afterwards, you go on to your churches or community to serve. Ang motto ng SSLG this year is not to be served, but to serve. I choose that verse from Matthew because even God gave Himself for us. Leadership is a selfless act. Hindi siya for clout. It's for service. And I want the rest of the season side to witness this kasi I know many of you are all student leaders naman. But I want you to take this seriously. It's not hard na during weekends, during late at night, nagpaplano ka para sa mga events na sana maging successful, lahat may cooperate. Na dami expectations from students, fellow teachers, administration. It's hard to be a leader. And even I myself, hindi ko inakala magiging advisor ako ng SSLG. So, with that, from this day onwards, bilang kilala kayo as yung kanan kaliwang kamay ng SSLG, kasama namin kayo sa lahat ng events, we will try our best to be the great equalizer of all clubs, to be your leader, the highest student government, and sana this year, we will try as students na maging better pang learning experience dito sa Seasonside. Na yung kaya natin as students mapunan dito sa school, we will do so. And we need your help. So, sa panunumpa niyo ng oath of office na yan, sana talaga, kasi kanina I was watching and goosebumps talaga, na ito na, without reservation, you would serve school. So with that, I would now transition the event to our kick-off. Kick-off pa lang to ng Teachers Month. So there's more to come. As October 5 is the final day of the Teachers Month. So, sige, club and past presidents, please stand up na po. And Seasonside, let's give them a final round of applause before they go back to classes. Thank you so much, and let's proceed na po. Thank you.